welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install BitTorrent on a MacBook Air M1. If you've been struggling to find the right version that works smoothly on Apple Silicon, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up BitTorrent and start downloading your files without any issues. So, let's get started. Alright, first step. Open your browser and type BitTorrent download and hit enter. You'll see the official BitTorrent website. Make sure you always download from the official site to avoid fake or harmful versions. In my case, the official BitTorrent website isn't at the top. It's showing up at number 4 in the search results. So, scroll down and click on the one that says BitTorrent.com. Now, click on BitTorrent Web and then click on Free Download. Now, download the free version by clicking on Download Now. Click on Allow and the download will start. Once the download is complete, double-click on the BitTorrent file. Now, move the BitTorrent app into the Applications folder. To open BitTorrent Web, go to Finder, then open the BitTorrent Web app. Now you can see our BitTorrent Web app has installed successfully. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.